Are you having problems with your Instagram DMs not sending? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So the first step is going to be for us to come to our Instagram app and then come to our profile right here, as you can see. So now when you're on your profile, then the first step is going to be for us to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. And as you can see, I'm now taken to this page right here, which is great. What I'm going to do in here is to just firstly click where it says settings. So click on settings in here. Perfect. As you can see, we're now taken to this page right here, which is great. In here, I'm just going to scroll all the way down, and then I'm going to click where it says help. So click on help in here. Now I'm going to click where it says report a problem. So click on report a problem. Once again, click on report a problem in here. Then I'm going to click where it says include and continue. And great, as you can see, I'm now taken to this page right here, which is great. So we need to write exactly like this, because in here you're actually able to contact the Instagram customer support, and they are the ones that can help us to fix this issue. So I'm going to write exactly like this to them now. I am not able to send direct messages on my Instagram account. I need this to be fixed for me. This is very important for my Instagram user experience. The reason why I added the last part is because you need to make sure that Instagram actually take this serious, so that they think that if they will not fix this, then you will probably leave Instagram. So if you actually add this last part, then you will probably get this solved like quicker, basically. So I'm going to click on send in the top right corner. Now wait about 1 to 3 business days for Instagram support to see this, and then when they have actually seen this, then this should be fixed for you. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.